Madam Judy, karibu mgeni. Welcome to Sanitary. Welcome. One item or two. Wanaendelea kujipanga vizuri wakiongozwa na walimu wao. So this is Suneka Primary and Junior Secondary. They are almost ready with their item. So madam.
In front of you is Suneka DOK and JSS, ready to entertain you. So sit back, relax, and put a banana smile. Twaingia uwanjani kuwapongeza wageni wetu, twawaombea maisha marefu, Mola walinde vyema.
Twaingia uwanjani kuwapongeza wageni wetu, twawaombea maisha marefu, Mola walinde vyema.
Shukurani twamuomba Mola wetu awalinde vyema, awaweke vyema daima.
Moja ni salamu, mbili ni pongezi, tatu ni shukurani twamuomba Mola wetu awalinde vyema, awaweke vyema daima.
Tutamtoa nani? Thank you very much.
Entertainment nyingi kwa sababu ya wakati. Our team is going ready. Suneka, be ready. Girls High School, ready for their item. This is Suneka girls, ready with their item.
Let's get started. Because of time, we have to finish our entertainment there. Thank you very much. That was a great presentation.
So thank you. Because of time, briefly we are going to our two parents talking, then also to talk, then the principals of the two schools introduce their staff, then we go back to our one parent from Suneka. Yes, welcome. Then from there, we will go to the principals. It's because of the program, it's very short, and they are proceeding to another station.
Teachers and students, good. I'm Naomi Nyakea. I'm the PA representative. I want to appreciate Madam for coming to this school today. Suneka Primary, we have some two issues and we need ECD classes. Zilibomoka na our pupils, they don't have somewhere to learn from. To the Form 4 and to the Class 8 and Grade 6 students, we wish you all the best. Make sure that you don't get any distraction from today moving forward. Work hard. That 1 minute or that the 2 days that are remaining or 1 week can change your grades. So make sure you perform well. We expect much from you. So work hard and we wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Makofi kwa mzazi. Makofi tena. Thank you so much. This time now, I want to invite the principal of Suneka Comprehensive School to introduce his staff. And standing here as the principal, and we have the delegates, the principal of Suneka Comprehensive Schools. Comprehensive means it has primary, it has junior secondary, it has SME, and also it has special school. So I'm inviting teachers from Suneka Primary and Junior Secondary to come here for introduction. Please come. Okay. So these are the teachers from Suneka Primary and Junior Secondary. It's a good number. In total we are 36 We have that 6 in total. So please simama mahali utaonekana so that you can be seen well. So this is the staff from Suneka, DOK Primary and the Junior Secondary. And because of time, I'm not going to mention their names, but I only recognize the administrators here. The senior teacher, please raise up your hand. That is our senior teacher, Madam Mary. Then we have 2 deputies, Madam Judy Osano, wave, Tarazia Mwalimu. So that is our deputy, Madam Judy. Then deputy, Madam Florence Orioro. Please wave. Thank you so much. This is the staff from Suneka. Please wave as you sit down. Thank you so much. Thank you. So before I invite the host principal, I want to thank Your Excellency for coming here. Thank you for recognizing our schools, the 2 schools. I also want to thank the MCA present here. I've seen my colleague, MCA Victor Wando, MCA Teresa Kwapa. I can see MCA Honorable Ibrahim, the nominated MCA. So thank you for recognizing our school, and we have heard from our parents. If anything you see around the coming while, please angalia see our school. There's a time I hosted His Excellency the Governor in our school here, and I said and told him you are going to win, and he won. Mnakumbuka wakati ya Excellency alikuja shule yetu? Yes, tukasema Simba leta haya. Si alikuwa haya? Na si alishinda? Sawa sawa. Then I told him we don't have ECD classes, they were blown away by wind. I know you have plans for that. So Your Excellency, when you meet him, remind him what we discussed with him when he was in my school. Thank you so much because of time. And now I want to invite the host principal also to introduce our staff and say one. Then the host principal will invite MCA who will continue with the program. As I said, I'm the other delegates, the head teacher, Suneka, and also the chairman of all the head teachers in Kisi South. We call it Kipsha. Thank you so much. Makofi kwangu.
Her Excellency, the First Lady, the MCA's present, board members, keep coming, our teachers, all the guests, our parents, students, good afternoon. Sure. We are happy to host you, and more excited because the governor is an old boy of this school. I am sure he will be coming around, but when you are here, we are happy that you are representing him. We have, in our secondary school, we have about 800 students, 42 teachers, 27 working staff, and of course, this is the small school we have. Because we will not be introducing them, let them just salute. Our deputy principal, show up your hand. Thank you. Our senior HODs, raise up your hands. Thank you so much. You can sit. Your Excellency, as I said, we are humbled to host you. We have many needs, but we want to humbly request that if it so happens that is possible, we are requesting for a perimeter wall for the school for the safety of the girls. We request that you take our regards to the governor, and then that we are looking forward to a time he will come to say hi and find out whether that dorm you used to sleep in is still there. Thank you so much. I want to invite the MCA to take over.
Okay. Thank you very much, the teacher. Was in the secondly, and then the primary here. We are. I want to take a very short time. The program, the program as quickly as possible, because from here we are going to Casero. What is your word? So there is. We are very busy. That's why we are rushing to the program. I want to call all the MCs who are here, honorable members, please come so that you can be known you are within. All honorable members, okay, I'm directed, members of Kisi County Assembly. I can see this teacher here. I think everybody knows him. Let him introduce himself. Yeah, thank you very much, MCA Teresa of the Mariba Ward, the first lady of Kisi County, Mama May, one MCS on the company Mama, the hosting head principal of the secondary school and the hosting also head teacher of the primary school. Na usilimu yote amjambo tena. My name is Victor Ambassa, the MCA of Rihanna Board. I'm so happy to be here. Mimi ni mwalimu kimasomo na najua sherehe kama hii ni maana sana, si ndio? Na kuna furaha kuona mama mimi hapa. Na ukiona mama mimi si gavana mwenyewe wako hapa, si ndio? So mama mimi karibu sana hapa Bonchari. Feel most welcome, and we shall support the governor in everything that he wants to do for us in Kisi County. Asante sana. Makofi sana. Asante sana. Mimi majina yangu naitwa Dismas Onsombi. Was the retired chief, lakini sasa naakiriza Mariba Ward. Teresa, ndio wangu. Thank you very much. Unajua kila ward iko na MCA mmoja. Mmewahi kujua hiyo? Ama wamewahi kukua wawili? Mnajua MCA hapa ni nani? John Siria Umbati. Mnamjua? Yeah. Angekuwa na sisi, lakini haizi vile tunavyoongea. Ako katika hii mlima wa ako na extra hapa na hapo. Kuna function yao wanafanya. Kwa hiyo nilikuja hapa kwa niaba ya mkiniona mmemwona basi. Mkiniona mmemwona. Hapa tunafanya kazi pamoja. Kwa hivyo sitaki kupoteza wakati sana. Ninataka nimwalike mgeni wa heshima. Kuna kijana hapa ananisukuma sikutaka aongee, lakini sasa amelazimisha aongee. Hebu kuja basi. Walimu wakuu, wanafunzi na walimu, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Si changamoto kidogo hata mwingine naona mko na raha. Ndio. Sisi hata Simba ya sababu Simba ni matutuma hapa. Hata hao wanafunzi watimbia mabega kidogo. Si ndio? Kama Mbata angekuwa hapa wangechangamuka, si ndio? Lakini sasa tuko hapa na senior chief. Na uzuri anasema tukimwona tunamuona kama nani? Kama mzee Mbata, si ndio? Kwa hivyo uzuri chief watoto wamewaachia ng'ombe hapa. Ng'ombe wa kule. Sawa. Haya. Kwa majina yangu najulikana Arati, mwakilishi hapa, rafiki yangu sana, kwa sababu yeye ndiye anatupa masomo ya vile tunaendesha shughuli zetu za serikali. Wanafunzi ambe mwana mwana tena kwa vile ile ndio ndio kwa nyara mwana mukora engere ndio chanda bali ndio ndio ufahamu Hawa ile mnara kwa tayari ama chenye wanawaza sana sana ni hii, tutie bidii katika masomo. Wale ambao ndio pamoja tukapanga hapa Monchari. Mimi tulipewa basari, si ndio? Nani alitupa basari? Simba Arati alitupa basari, si ndio? Najua watoto wengi wako hapa wanategemea basari, na mimi nataka niwaombe ruhusa kwa wale ambao mko na balance, si ndio? Principal, uko wapi? Kuja kidogo.
Simba ne mamba.
Simba ni tayari kumulika.
Simba ne mamba.
Kidogo kidogo kidogo. Sponsor ndio. Principal tafadhali. Wanafunzi nataka mnisikize tafadhali kwa niaba ya wazazi. Na kuomba kwa sababu Simba Arati akunania watoto wasome. Najua kumbe wako na balances. Nasi tulipoanza basari Simba Arati alikuwa basari ya milioni 3. Na sasa hivi anaongeza mpaka milioni 5. Kwa hivyo kwa watoto wako hapa wako na balance ya shule. Tafadhali waache wafanye mtihani in the next 2 weeks. Tutaambiwa atakuja gavana mwenyewe, tutaanza kufanya ambassador ya mali ya balance. Tafadhali usiwafukuze kwa sasa. Wewe waache kufinya, najua maisha ni ngumu, lakini finya wasifunge nyumba na kwa waza chingo. Na wewe principal, mheshimiwa Banti tulikuwa tukiongea anapenda shule sana. Tutamwambia kuja hapa na hizo fomu wakiwa na gavana wapeane hao watoto wasome, watoto wasichana. Lazima tusaidie watoto wasichana sana. Ndio? Asante sana principal, umesikia. Haya. Na mwisho tumekuja shule kufanya nini? Na mimi nimekuwa nikiambia watoto wasichana, tafadhali funga miguu, fungua vitabu. Tumeona? Kwa sababu nimekuja hapa na nia ya kusoma, mbadilishe maisha yenu na maisha ya wazazi na watu wengine kule nje. Tumeona hivyo? Sasa kuongea mingi mtaambiwa. Asante sana. Mungu awabariki. Sifunguliwa kitu kwanza watoto watingike kidogo kabla wanunue wachangamke. Natoa sauti. Simama na kuongea kidogo. Simama tu kidogo. Toka sauti. Toka sauti. Simba taya. Simba taya. Simba taya. Simbanitaya makanya na mambo tunawarundi ya umma na mmoja sauti vizuri unatuangusha. Haya, mtapata. Haya. Tororo usikae sasa. Haya. Ndio nataka mchangamuka hiyo mchangamuka. Haya, tuketi. Haya. Omar, angalia mitambo bwana, angalia mitambo inatuangusha. Haya, kidogo. Kidogo, eh? No, okay, bwana, ngoche, sawa no. Lakini wewe ukamulia ng'ombe. Wewe ukamulia ng'ombe. Dakika moja. Haya, tutaendelea kitu kingine. Halo? Hata hao watoto bani nuko raja, mmoja kama ukende mwogochera. Kausona? Simba Arati tawanjete. Wata Simba tawanjete. Mwako wata Simba netaya. Yakumulika bakana na tayo. Kile mutango mole. Eh? Unaona kama mtoto anakuja kuchukua pesa hapa. Eh? Haya. Unaona?
Wacha nirudishe. Tumekuwa sawa sasa? Simechangamuka. Ngoja mtapanga, wacha nirudishe kwa mheshimiwa hapa, alike mgeni wa heshima, baadaye tutaongea maneno mengine kando huko, si ndio? Haya, tulia. DJ. Kidogo. Na wakati namwalika lazima sote tufanye nini? Tusimame. Tutaonja ndiye akuje. Tendo buya erena sometenero la torusia tobuso. Tendo buya erena sometenero la torusia tobuso.
Suneka, good morning. Good morning again. How are you? My name is Kwamboka Simba. I'm the wife to Governor Simba Arati. Do you know Governor Simba Arati? Yes. Receive his greetings. Let me introduce the nominated MCs who are with me here.
Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, hey Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Aye. Acha kere wo bazi, Simba ne taye. Oma choge bravo la voz. Oma choge saje. Mutu Mugirango, Simba Netaya, Yalibari Mazawa, Simba Netaya, Yalibari Tate, Simba Netaya, Yakitutu Tate, Simba Netaya, Ekade Asauti, Simba Netaya, Yakitutu Tate.
Except one man. We have only ladies here. Are you feeling encouraged? Single one.
Good morning. Good morning once again.
Good morning, primary. Okay, my name's Ruth Nyagechanga, nominated by Jubilee Party.
Morning, everyone. Geometrical, nominated by ODM Party representing persons with disability. Thank you so much.
My name is Lilian Nyakirani Sandona. I come from Bombachoge, Borabu constituency, nominated 8, also grade 6. I want to wish you all the best. Success in your exam, especially for the papers for at least 5 years. You go through those papers because the examiners of Nairobi without passing the exam. I wish you well.
Suneka, hi. Suneka girls, how are you? Yeah. Sasa, I'm nominated by UPA, UPA, but I know in this school there is an E-class. Si iko? Basi watu kama hao, watoto, hata watu wazima, wao ndio mimi nawakilisha. Asante.
I have 2 microphones. We are here on behalf of the His Excellency, the Governor, Changamche Kiasi. Wanafunzi hoye! Wanafunzi hoye! Simba hoye! Sijawasikia Simba hoye! Wamboka hoye! Wamboka hoye! Yes, you look very beautiful. You are very smart. We are here as ambassadors of His Excellency, the Governor, and Her Excellency, the First Lady. That's why we are here. We've not been here, but you can see we are here in a big way. And on behalf of myself, I really want to wish the candidates a lot of success. The Form 4s, you are smart at this time of the year because the exams are starting soon. I'm sure you have been working smart, so you are going to do your best. The Class 8 and Grade 6, I also wish you a lot of success. As you have been told, that Mufunge Migu, Musome, the best husbands are in front. They are not even in the university. Make sure when you are, these days when you get married when you have a master's. So you can't leave Form 4 and then you go get married. And in this place where we have come from, you see homes. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Hello? Are you there? Where are you? Those and the really is tired. Yes. Who are those who are excited to see our own beloved First Lady? Niwaambie ama niache? Governor amenituma hivi. All the best and do not panic. Okay? Read slowly. Again, be good crammers, is it? Okay. Na mimi pia nawatakia kila laheri, and with God everything is possible. Thank you. I'm Honorable Governor. Oh yes.
Good morning, school girls. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pupils, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you very much. My name is Grace Ongwai, and we are here because we love you. We have come to wish you success. Just one word, as my colleagues have already said, I don't want to repeat. But I know there are those who probably at one time, they slipped and did the wrong thing. And you think that this message is too late for you. It is never too late. If you found you had messed yesterday, if you slip and fall, you remain down on the ground because you're fallen. No. Rise up and shine. So continue rising up to shine. Therefore, we are saying, even the exams that are just around the corner, if you have not studied well, it is not too late. Just do what my colleague has said. I know, especially the Form 4s. Nowadays, I see everybody who wants to go to university, people are forfeiting university because they want to go for medical courses. Don't think that those medical courses will come without hard work. Therefore, if you have a dream of what you want to become, it is not too late. Spend sleepless nights, but with good rest that will enable you to have good memory so that you are able to pass. The candidates from 4th, class 8, grade 6, we wish you God's blessings and success. May He give you good health throughout your exams. Be blessed.
Thank you. Our first lady, teachers, wanafunzi, habari zenu. Good morning, children. Good morning. Sijasikia mkiongea, munaongea good morning. Si muongee. Si munaona first lady yako hapa? Mwanyako romo songo. Mwanyako romo songo. Omo songo chira. Omo songo tache tia semole. Mwarare bintara atire. Ochire. Retira masaba ya semole ko baini kali chimokale kimoeta mate. Both secondary and primary. Standard itika kimoga teba. Abana bali be primary kuana buna bali mole moyo. Nawo tayingo bagolande soda. Nawo tayingo babuya. First radio chira iga tomirune ga abana. Ngakimoga teba. Etaya. Simba ne etaya. First lady mbia mwana sana sogo toleta romo songo onde. Si mmeona kuna msungu hapa? Mchangalia vizuri muona msungu? Si mmemwona? Angalia kuna msungu huko. Sasa first lady lea igacha otoro kinga nara mona intwe. Nande skuru ya semule. Noga bana simbeta ya somete. Ngakimata. Si mnachisikia? Chisikia bwana. Santi. Bono, ntakete ko batevi ngatite ko enda mange. Omo first radio ito nataketa ko. Na batevi ngana balentera 3000. Mori ereki. KDF. Imwakima bateva. Nina kwa iti mwana mtaenda kupita mtihani. Ni nani ataenda kupita mtihani? Kila mtu. Welcome first radio. Young primary. Primary. Standard 8. Na mwezi nate bangango bande 2000. Mogole ruwa machara moli. Bona ande moeta mate. Mo promise. Tadiwo. Mo maita sa marieta ncheningo. Na bate bigati. Mmendi fahamu mimi ni nani? Mogire nominated MCA Bonjari constituency from Wood.
Wow. For the first time, you know, I've been always knowing my brother is very mean. Today, he's very generous. Isn't it? Yes. I want to introduce you another guest who came with me, but I'm sure he's shy. I don't know if you want to come.
More than 10 years. We would like to come here to greet all of you and hope that you have a bright future.
It's too early for you. Next time when you finish university, come, I give you numbers. Hello? I've come here to send wish you success in your exams and make sure you pass your exams. Your future is at your hand. You know, Governor Simba Arati was a student at Suneka High School before it became a girls' school. It was a mixed school, isn't it? Yes. The principal. When Governor was in school, were you the principal? You are not. Is there anyone who was a classmate of Governor? Yes. Where? You are also a classmate.
Your Excellency,
Yes.
I want to thank you for recognizing me. When I was here, we were with the Governor Simba Arati, and I was his head boy. When you go back home, tell him we love him, we want him to succeed, and take this county to another level. Otherwise, other private things we can talk later. Thank you so much.
No, wait. I brought him to ask a question. How is he going? Oh. We wanted to ask you. When Governor was in school here, did he ever have a girlfriend?
Thank you so much.
And tell us the truth. Don't hide.
I want to tell you the truth. That when Simba Arati was here, there are three things Governor doesn't like. One is being a womanizer. So when he was here, he never had. Even me, I never had one. Secondly, Governor Simba Arati loves transparency. I think that is even what is being exercised at the county level. Otherwise, Madam, have I answered that question?
You say the three things. You have said 1, 2. Where's the third one?
The third one, he doesn't like lies. People come and they cheat that those people cannot ask for forgiveness. That is the people Governor Simba Arati doesn't like. I think that is all.
Thank you, head boy. So now you have confirmed he never had a girlfriend. Even if he had one, he could have not married. Senor? So don't have a boyfriend now because you are not going to marry. You are going to waste yourself. How many years does a human being live in earth if you don't die with an accident? How many years? 70? Huh? 120? And 80? If we put at 100 years, which year do you graduate for university? When you are graduated from university, how old will you be? 25 years, isn't it? 100 years minus 25 years is how many years? 75 years. If you close everything of yourself and work hard, go to university, you will only suffer or work hard for 25 years for you to change your life of 75 years in future. Is it not worth it? Is it not worth it? Have you understood the mathematics? So please work hard. For the young children, you ask for what? Muchele. And?
Rice and meat.
Rice and beans. What do you want? Money. What?
Geometrical sets.
Geometrical sets. This one I want to go to school. That one is only thinking of the stomach. For the secondary students, you ask for a cow. What did you ask? Huh? School bikes. School bus. Now I want to tell you something. Now that you have reminded me, the principal of the secondary school, I'd be very sorry telling you, the county government cannot do projects with secondary schools, either the primary schools. The only power the county government has is to give you project for ECD, which is given budget by Mheshimiwa Ombati. You know Mheshimiwa Ombati? If you want bursary, if you want ECD classes, go to Mheshimiwa Ombati. And I think I've said myself very clear here. But I'm not saying we cannot do it. Because Governor was a student at Suneka Secondary, you can always organize a fundraising and invite him as a formal student. Are we agreeing? Yes. I can see you. Oh, you are hungry. Is the sun burning you or you are hungry? You are hungry. Huh? Huh? Both. Now the sun, I can't help you. Maybe you pray so that the sun can go down. But I can help you to collect for you the cow and the muchene. Who had promised? Who promised the muchele? Evanine. You know, Evanine is nominated through Bonchari constitutions. When she comes here, she's excited. We went with her to South Mogrango. We went with her to Bobasi. We went to Kitutu Chache North. She never gave even a coin. Now she's at home. She can give. Where's the money, Evanine? She hasn't even gone back with the money. She has given me 3,000 from secondary and 2,000 for primary. Don't clap. This money cannot even buy a cow. Can it even buy a leg of a cow? It can't. Let me go back and I continue collect. Mheshimiwa Teresa, you know this is your neighborhood. How much? 3, 4? Secondary. Mheshimiwa Teresa has given me 3,000 for secondary school. I've told you don't clap. Not be enough. Mheshimiwa Wekta Umba and the chair of education. If you miss bursary, make sure you go to his house. For the primary, 2,000. For the secondary, 3,000. So now I have only 9,000. Today, we must go back to Mheshimiwa Teresa. Give us more. Mheshimiwa Wekta Umbasa. For him or for me? I'm doing a good job, isn't it? He must give us something. Senor? Other women give us money. Oh, he is going to pick in the car. Now we have a cow, which is coming from Ogembo. It has not reached anywhere near. So you put first Simbanetaya. Oh, the money has come. Don't put. He's not coming with a bag. This is why single men are very bad. Don't marry. He has given me 20,000 for the secondary school.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba.
Now, I want to give you the money for Mheshimiwa Ombati. He has given me 20,000, 15,000 for the secondary, 5,000 for the primary. Young children, you are sad. You are sad. Why are you sad? You asked for muchene na managwe. See, the money is enough. You want what? Meat. Okay. Now that I'm here, I'm here on behalf of who? Who? Simba Arati. He has given me 50,000, which I'm giving 40,000 to the secondary, 10,000 for the primary.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Aye yeah. Ocha kere wo basi, simba ne taye. Ogenda monjari, simba ne taye. Oma choge bwabura bu, simba ne taye. Oma choge chache, simba ne taye. Aye sauti mugirango, simba ne taye. Yari bali mazawa, simba ne taye. Yari bali chache, simba ne taye. Yaki tutu chache, simba ne taye. Aye chache ya sauti, simba ne taye. Yaki tutu chache, simba ne taye. Aye chache ya noti, simba ne taye.
Primary, I have your 25,000. So you clap for me. I tried. Sindio, nimejaribu. This money is enough for you to buy rice, beans, na nyama. Sindio, I want to give your head teacher this money so that he can buy for you those things. Huh? Who? Huh? The head teacher. Who is the head teacher? Huh? Where is he? Is he the one? You are sure? I don't want to give money to a wrong man. Is he right? Thank you, head teacher.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Aye yeah.
The secondary student. I have 93,000 here for you. The principal.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Aye yeah. Simba ne taye. Ogenda monjari, simba ne taye. Oma choge bwabura bu, simba ne taye. Oma choge chache, simba ne.
Now, are you happy? You have become happy after you have got meat. And the sun has gone. I'm told there is a special class in primary. How many are there? Where's the teacher? Where?
They are 52.
They are 52. You will give me another 10,000 for the special class. This one.
Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Aye yeah. Ocha kere wo ba chaje, Simba netaye. Ekitutu chaje, Simba netaye. Aye chaje ya sauti, Simba netaye. Ekitutu chaje, Simba netaye. Aye chaje ya noti, Simba.
My brother has added 2,000 for special kids.
Aye Simba ne mamba, Simba ne Simba, Simba ne.
Now, I was almost finished my meeting. I'm told there is a special case called Christine Moenga. Who is Christine Moenga? Where is she? Is she here?
Where are you, Christine? Yule baba yake aliuawa hapa. Kinyama. Ako wapi? Yes, he needs to be assisted, please. He's the one.
Christine.
Baba yake aliuawa kinyama.
Pole sana.
Yeah.
Where's your mom?
Auxilie. Usema naomba kama bora.
Now, and the principal for the secondary school. This student, I will pay for her school fees until she finishes secondary. Even shopping, everything she needs, let me know. You will get my number from Omari. It was a sad moment, but I have to finish the work I was sent to do. I'm here to present the Governor Simba Arati with the gift he has brought for you. Every candidate here, you will get one domestic set. A success card from Governor Simba Arati. And for girls, you will get 2 packs of sanitary pads for the candidates. Are you happy? Yes. For those non-candidates, you will get soda and bread before you wait for your mutiene nagre. And please, when you go home, when all of you go home, tell your parents Governor Simba Arati has said hi and wish you success in your exams. When you go home, whom are you going to say hi to? The parents. From who? Simba Arati. Thank you and have a nice afternoon. And now I want to start giving your gifts. We start with class 6. And please, it's good to be honest. Only class 6 to come forward.
Kama uko grade 6, walimu come and help us to identify that the students who are lining up are grade 6 only. Na ukipatiwa unaenda kwa ile uwanja ya huko for photo session ndio ukumbuke ile siku ulipatiwa geometrical set na his excellency. Kidogo. Walimu tusaidie ku identify mtoto asiingie ambaye si wa grade 6 kwa sababu huwa tumepanga. Mkipewa kimbia pale for photo session, wale wanataka picha za Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. PJ. Mheshimiwa Dama, au ni class 8 ama? Class 8. Mheshimiwa Dama, tafadhali saidiana na walimu. Make sure ni grade 6 na class 8. Walimu watusaidie. DJ nafikiri nyimbo ni nyingi, jaribu kuchanganya kidogo, salero imeimba Simba pale kidogo pia ndio kiende mzuri. Mkipewa tafadhali, kuna photo session hapa, kuna makameramen wale wa simu, cameraman wa simu wacha kupiga picha, wa simu Tekno Infinix, tulia kidogo. iPhone ni sawa.
It is free.
Wanaendelea kusoma. Naona wameendelea kusongeza.
Constituency se county akisi gesa umur biri bugo tarira abana bachokora matemo asoma koiga baka wechiri wen mulongebire neisato wetira the first lady boy county akisi na anene muno kuganiria abana baiga success ase amatemo abo yoma koiga. Today marks the 40th constituency maiga yo gukora kurwa ase constituency Kitutu Chache North litukore igoro maragoba ekerenge kekenene ni okire esengecho yo kuganiria abana chokora matemu asoma koiga success wetira the first lady kubatira namuru mugabana boy county ya Kisii Moskepor Simba Arati. As today, as I speak from this side, this is the first school as a constituency ya Bonchari yo ekora wamno moske onchoke negautre as a ward ya Bomurenda so moske as a ward ya Bomurenda iga asisa mutasunika anekere credit ko lero igo kere muna kyabutambe anene muno gukondera abana bari chokwa matemu asoma koiga na kuba omoyo wetira ase abarai abikira na sit ko lero na anene muno ndibe korekana asit ko lero elia yokoneke nga asaba na bakora matemu abo ase mwakoiga wanyodire emto bi ko bakonya aso kora matemu abo una geometrical sets konyora success cards yokubaganira gukora amaya na anene muno na sanitary parts ose towel woche ase abana abanyaruka abo bachokora mutemu abo ase umwakoiga ose ase ki egocha na anene mono nakagire tukore rero the first lady ngomekare esobari aye goika ase school ya ryo kindo nyenye tukobake ko yali tuko rigoro maragoba na anene mono wocha koligeria ase digendere tukorwa ase school yo ya ryo kindo and above all ase wode bomurenda nigo the first lady like riwochi gotara among Chiskuru Chiskuru inyase wodi Chiskuru bera se wodiga na anene mono koena na ase interview na kwerera geometrical sets sanitary parts na success cards which as candidates bakoro matemu asoma koiga which grade 6 standard 8 amona form 4s above all nigo teto kwaliganiria as message mu governor which as candidates once pive county ya Kisii wetira ase ekadi embwata sokoko kwane na anene mono kubaligereria ase abali bakora matemu asoma koiga na kubaganiria amaya na kubatakira amaya asa matemu abo asoma koiga na anene mono matemu chaka ase eki egocha. The message erase kadotenga wishing you success in your exams. To all candidates, don't let anyone tell you that you can't do anything, because you have the ability to achieve what you want. You can put what you want, you put your mind to. Good luck. I wish you all the best in your exams. May your hard working, commitment, and dedication bring you success. His Excellency, Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the second governor, Kisii County. And this is the message from the governor to all candidates wachokora matemu asoma koiga of 2023. Watra namona intwe kigima karutuko chaka the second school as a wodi ya Bomurenda and Sunika girls near about the first school as a wodi ya Bomurenda in constituency ya Bonchari in county ya Kisii. Kuna botambe nchani kwa grupu Dr. Dennis wasema mtu nangiri kuntu na audio kuandika chipiche choko tinara sentra yogo ikiranu yagakoro kwa Alfred Musa ujo kuandika nga akwati chipiche chiga sentra inkiranu lakini korende asmoniga ekigendera taseriniga the First Lady, MCAs, everybody elected and nominated MCAs that are giving out success cards, sanitary parts, geometrical sets, which as candidates from Wakoiga, ye constituency ya Bonchari. And we are lucky today to watch school over to watch school ya Yoboroso ya Sunika Primary and Sunika Girls High School. Wo wako nyora event bigakurwa as the First Lady. Kodene ayama sayemo yangwere wika the First Lady kunagasene kwanana sanitary parts, geometrical sets and success cards from the governor to all candidates wa Mwakoiga of 2023. Back to you to the studio.
Huh?
It's okay. Just what is the government?
Thank you for helping us as girls. We really appreciate. You are the best, and thank you for helping us a lot. Most of us come from humble backgrounds. I really thank you a lot.
Just continue. Somebody. Anybody? One what is the government?
Thank you, Governor, for this opportunity.